Hello, today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite breakfast sandwich. There are many breakfast sandwiches that I do favor, but this one's my favorite because it's easy. So, I've already made my coffee, as I've shown you how to do a French press in another video. I take Thomas's breakfast bread. It's everything. It has all the seeds and the flavorings on it. And I toast the bread. And I put it on a plate. I put washed romaine on it. This is fresh basil from my garden. Gotta have the basil because basil goes excellent with tomatoes, and these are peppered with freshly ground pepper. Doing this with one hand, folks. And there is that. Then I put on bacon, which I cut the strips in half. I love bacon. I don't eat it every day because, it's fatty and salty, but I get organic bacon. So this is the only thing I'll eat until dinner time, this breakfast sandwich. Then I boil some eggs, and I like these brown eggs. Eggland's put out free-range brown eggs, and other companies do too. I just happened to grab the Eggland's, and I hard-boiled them for 13 minutes, and then I let them sit in the water for 1 minute. They continue to cook when they sit in the hot water for 1 minute. Then I immerse them in ice cold water right away, and the shells slide right off. Now you can either put the egg on top. I like it on the side. And then a little mayonnaise. Now sometimes I use a sriracha mayonnaise. Sometimes I just use mustard. And there you have your lovely sandwich for breakfast or brunch. And it's a wonderful bread. And no, I don't get paid for endorsing Thomas's Breakfast Everything bread or the mayonnaise or the Four Sigmatic coffee. It's just something that I really like. And it's cost efficient for this mayonnaise. And if you haven't tried many things, you go to the grocery store with a list, you don't have time to try everything. Do try these products, and you will see why I like them. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.